Did you know that a simple seaweed can be a powerhouse of nutrients? It can even improve your health in remarkable ways. This natural wonder is sea moss, also known as Irish moss. For centuries, it has been a staple in coastal communities. Now, it's gaining global recognition. This is due to its incredible health benefits. Join me as we dive deep into the world of sea moss. Discover how it can transform your well-being. Sea moss is a type of red algae. This fascinating marine plant, also known as Irish moss, has been a staple in coastal communities for centuries. Its scientific name is Chondrus crispus, and it belongs to the Rhodophyta family, which is known for its vibrant red color. The red hue comes from the presence of phycoerythrin, a pigment that allows the algae to absorb blue light and thrive in deeper waters where sunlight is scarce. It grows in cool waters along the coasts of the Atlantic Ocean. The ideal conditions for sea moss are found in the rocky parts of the Atlantic, where the water temperature ranges between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. These cool, nutrient-rich waters provide the perfect environment for sea moss to flourish. The Atlantic Ocean, with its vast and diverse marine ecosystem, offers a unique habitat that supports the growth of this remarkable algae. You'll find it in places like Ireland, North America, and Europe. In Ireland, sea moss has been harvested for generations, particularly along the rugged western coast. In North America, it is commonly found along the northeastern seaboard, from Canada down to the United States. European coastlines, especially those in the northern regions, also provide a suitable habitat for sea moss. Each of these regions has its own unique methods and traditions for harvesting and utilizing sea moss. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. Sea moss may look unassuming, but it is a powerhouse of nutrition. Its delicate, frond-like structure belies the wealth of nutrients it contains. The plant's ability to absorb and store minerals from the ocean makes it an incredibly rich source of essential nutrients. Its texture, which can range from soft and gelatinous to firm and crunchy, is a testament to its versatility and adaptability in various culinary and medicinal applications. This underwater plant is packed with over 90 essential nutrients. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and supporting various bodily functions. Sea moss is particularly rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as B vitamins like B1, B2, and B12. It also contains a significant amount of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. The presence of antioxidants in sea moss helps combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall well-being. These include iodine, iron, potassium, and calcium. Iodine is crucial for thyroid function, helping to regulate metabolism and energy levels. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells and the prevention of anemia. Potassium plays a key role in maintaining proper heart and muscle function, while calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth. The combination of these minerals in sea moss makes it a valuable addition to any diet, particularly for those looking to boost their nutrient intake naturally. For generations, sea moss has been used in traditional medicine. Coastal communities have long recognized its healing properties and have incorporated it into their daily lives. In Ireland, sea moss was traditionally boiled to create a gel-like substance that was used to soothe respiratory ailments and digestive issues. In the Caribbean, it is often blended into drinks and smoothies, believed to enhance vitality and stamina. These traditional uses highlight the versatility and effectiveness of sea moss as a natural remedy. It's been a natural remedy for various ailments. Sea moss has been used to treat everything from colds and flu to skin conditions and inflammation. Its high mucilage content makes it an excellent natural emollient, providing relief for dry and irritated skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of sea moss help reduce swelling and pain, making it a popular choice for those suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Its ability to boost the immune system and support overall health has made it a staple in many traditional medicine practices. Today, science is catching up. Modern research is beginning to validate the traditional uses of sea moss and uncover new potential benefits. Studies have shown that sea moss can support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Its antiviral and antimicrobial properties are being explored for their potential to combat infections. Researchers are also investigating the potential of sea moss to support weight loss, improve heart health, and enhance cognitive function. The scientific community is increasingly recognizing sea moss as a valuable resource for health and wellness. Research is confirming what many have known for years. Sea moss is a true superfood. Its impressive nutrient profile and wide range of health benefits make it a powerful addition to any diet. Whether consumed in its raw form, as a gel, or as a supplement, sea moss offers a natural and effective way to support overall health and well-being. As more people discover the benefits of this remarkable algae, sea moss is poised to become a staple in health-conscious households around the world. Your thyroid plays a crucial role in your body. It regulates metabolism, energy levels, and hormone production. Sea moss is a natural source of iodine. Iodine is essential for proper thyroid function. A lack of iodine can lead to hypothyroidism. This condition can cause fatigue, weight gain, and depression. By incorporating sea moss into your diet, you can help support your thyroid health. This ensures it functions optimally. High cholesterol is a common health concern. It can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Sea moss contains compounds that may help lower bad cholesterol levels. These compounds include fucoidan and alginates. They work by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract. This prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. By reducing bad cholesterol, sea moss can contribute to a healthier heart and cardiovascular system. Blood pressure and sea moss. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital for overall well-being. Sea moss is naturally rich in potassium. Potassium is a mineral that helps relax blood vessels. This, in turn, can lower blood pressure. Additionally, sea moss contains magnesium. Magnesium also plays a role in regulating blood pressure. By incorporating sea moss into your diet, you can support healthy blood pressure levels. Building muscle with sea moss. In this section, we will explore how sea moss can be a powerful ally in your fitness journey, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay in shape, sea moss can support your fitness goals. This versatile sea vegetable is packed with nutrients that can enhance your performance and recovery. It's a good source of protein. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential for muscle growth and repair. When you engage in physical activities like weightlifting, running, or even yoga, your muscles undergo stress and tiny tears. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are then used to repair and build new muscle fibers. This process is crucial for increasing muscle mass and strength. Sea moss also contains amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and they play a vital role in muscle recovery and growth. There are 20 different amino acids, and sea moss contains a significant number of them, including all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. They are involved in almost every bodily function, from muscle repair to enzyme production. When you consume sea moss, you are providing your body with these essential nutrients that support overall health and fitness. They play a crucial role in muscle recovery after exercise. After a strenuous workout, your muscles need time to recover and rebuild. Amino acids help to speed up this recovery process, reducing muscle soreness and fatigue. This means you can get back to your workouts faster and with less discomfort. Including sea moss in your diet can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support muscle growth and repair. You can add sea moss to your smoothies, soups, or even take it as a supplement. By incorporating sea moss into your daily routine, you are giving your body the tools it needs to perform at its best and recover efficiently. In addition to protein and amino acids, sea moss is rich in other essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support overall health, boost your immune system, and enhance your energy levels. This makes sea moss an excellent addition to any fitness regimen. Whether you're training for a marathon, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, sea moss can help you achieve your fitness goals. Its nutrient-dense profile supports muscle growth, enhances recovery, and provides sustained energy throughout your workouts. To get the most out of sea moss, try incorporating it into your post-workout meals. A sea moss smoothie is a delicious and convenient way to refuel your body after exercise. Simply blend sea moss gel with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a source of protein, like Greek yogurt or protein powder. If you prefer, you can also take sea moss in supplement form. Sea moss capsules or powders are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and ensure you are getting a consistent dose of its beneficial nutrients. Remember, consistency is key. By regularly including sea moss in your diet, you can support your muscle-building efforts and overall health. Whether you add it to your meals, smoothies, or take it as a supplement, sea moss can be a valuable addition to your fitness journey. So, next time you're planning your meals or looking for a post-workout snack, consider adding sea moss. Its unique combination of nutrients can help you build muscle, recover faster, and stay energized. Embrace the power of sea moss and take your fitness to the next level. Boosting immunity. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. Sea moss is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system. They protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Sea moss also contains antiviral and antibacterial properties. These properties may help fight off infections. By incorporating sea moss into your diet, you can give your immune system a powerful boost. Sea moss and diabetes management. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions worldwide. It requires constant management and monitoring to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. People with diabetes often have to make significant lifestyle changes, including diet modifications, regular exercise, and sometimes medication or insulin therapy. Managing diabetes effectively is crucial to prevent complications such as heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. Sea moss, a type of red algae, has been gaining attention for its potential health benefits, including its role in diabetes management. This marine plant is rich in nutrients and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Recently, it has become popular in the wellness community for its potential to support various aspects of health. One of the key components of sea moss is a type of fiber called alginate. Alginate is known for its gel-like properties, which can have a significant impact on digestion and nutrient absorption. Research suggests that alginate can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This slower absorption rate can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. By moderating the rate at which sugar enters the bloodstream, alginate may help maintain more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is a critical aspect of diabetes management. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, headaches, and in severe cases, hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Incorporating sea moss into a balanced diet may offer an additional tool for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. However, it's important to note that while the potential benefits of sea moss are promising, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on diabetes management. Current studies are limited, and further clinical trials are necessary to confirm these findings and determine the appropriate dosages and methods of consumption. If you have diabetes and are considering adding sea moss to your diet, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider first. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and ensure that sea moss is a safe and appropriate addition to your diabetes management plan. Always approach new supplements or dietary changes with caution and professional guidance to avoid any potential adverse effects. Sea moss for weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, sea moss can be a valuable addition to your diet. It's low in calories and fat, yet it's high in fiber. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer. This can prevent overeating. Sea moss also supports a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for weight management. By incorporating sea moss into a balanced diet and exercise regimen, you can support your weight loss goals. Share your health journey. Have you tried sea moss? What are your favorite ways to incorporate it into your diet? Share your health tips and stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier lives. Embrace the power of sea moss. Sea moss is a true gift from the sea. Its numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. From supporting thyroid health and lowering cholesterol to boosting immunity and aiding in weight loss, sea moss is a versatile superfood. Embrace the power of sea moss and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health and well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health-related videos like this.